What's up, online learners? Mr. Klausner here. So let me just share my screen, get us started, because today we're going to review some final exam questions, which will come up on our final exam, which will be sent out on Wednesday, December 9th, which is tomorrow, which is so crazy close. Let's go ahead and dive right in. In class, we're doing this for about 30 minutes, and we're walking through each one of these. I will go over this right now, though. So here we have a division problem. We have 5 over 5/7. It's the same as 5 divided by 5/7. This is a complex fraction. So you need to know how to, just like we reviewed last week, how to divide fractions. This would be 5 over 1 divided by 5 over 7, which is the same as 5 over 1 times 7 over 5, which we call that multiplication by the reciprocal, or you might have learned it as keep, flip, change. So that's one question there. So make sure you know how to do that. Here is a word problem. So if there are 6 carrots for each bunny and 9 bunnies, how many carrots are there? So this is a multiplication problem because each means multiply. So you have to know exactly what to multiply by what. Complete the pattern, pretty straightforward. We're going from 2 to 4 to 6 to 8. And what is that number going to come in the blank? So we have to figure out the pattern of how much it's going up or how much it's going down or how much is being multiplied, how much is being divided. Here is a discount problem. So you need to know the 4 steps that we need to do in order to solve a percentage problem and a markdown. So this is a discount. So a spear gun you want costs $60 but has a 5% discount. What is the sale price? So that means we're going to convert 5% to a decimal, multiply by the original price, then we're going to subtract the original price minus the total discount, and then we're going to solve. Does it make sense? Write it in a complete sentence and think, is this the right way we're going, either addition or subtraction? Here we have integer problems. So we're reviewing our integer rules. Remember, addition and subtraction, think about the number line when we're working with integers, but we have some really hard and fast nice rules for when we're multiplying. So this would be a negative times a negative, which would be a positive. So this would be positive 54. A positive times a positive is also a positive. And where it gets a little confusing is when we do a negative times a positive, that yields a negative, or a positive times a negative, which yields a negative. So here we have the negative times a positive. So this is going to be negative 12. Here we need to think about the number line. We're starting all the way to the left at negative 4. We're going to the right 3 jumps to take us to negative 1. Now this is a tricky one here. We're taking away a negative, which in this case, this is a negative 14 minus negative 11. So that turns into negative 14, adding a positive 11, and we're going to go back towards 0 to get to negative 3. And we have some coordinate plane. We have some finding percentages of whole numbers. And those are the 10 review problems. So if I were you, I would take notes on those, ensure I know how to do each one of those, and know each one of those categories. So integers, percentages, coordinate plane, multiplication in word problems, complete the pattern, complex fractions, all that good stuff. So hope this was a good, quick review, and I will see you guys very soon.